Sound 1. The nature of sound is a form of energy that produces the sensation of hearing. It begins with a vibration, a rapid to and fro motion. It travels as a mechanical wave, meaning it requires a medium, solid, liquid, or gas to move. 2. How sound moves, the earthworm effect. Sound moves through a series of pressure changes, compression high-pressure regions where particles are crowded, rarefaction low-pressure regions where particles are spread out. Because the particles vibrate back and forth parallel to the direction the wave travels, sound is classified as a longitudinal wave. 3. Key characteristics. Frequency oscillations per second. Measured in hertz, it determines pitch. Wavelength, the distance between two consecutive compressions. Amplitude, the maximum displacement from the mean position. This determines loudness. Speed calculated as 4. Echo, the reflection of sound. An echo occurs when sound hits a hard surface and bounces back to our ears. However, not every reflected sound is an echo. To hear a distinct echo, two conditions must be met. 1. Time gap. There must be at least a 0.1 second interval between the original sound and the reflected sound. This is because our brain retains any sound for 0.1 seconds. Persistence of hearing. 2. Distance. At standard air temperature, the reflecting surface must be at least 17.2 meters away. 5. Reverberation. The lingering sound. In smaller rooms or large halls with many hard surfaces, sound reflects multiple times and blurs together. This is reverberation. It is the persistence of sound after the source has stopped. The difference. While an echo is a clear, separate repeat of the sound, reverberation sounds like a long tail or a fade out. Control. In cinemas or recording studios, we use soft materials like carpets and acoustic foam to absorb these reflections and stop reverberation. 6. Practical examples for 10-minute pacing. To see these concepts in action, let's look at 3 scenarios. A guitar string. When plucked, it vibrates the air, production. High-tension strings vibrate faster, creating a higher frequency, pitch. The Grand Canyon. Because the walls are hundreds of meters away, the 0.1 second rule is easily met, creating world-famous echoes. An empty apartment. Ever notice how your voice rings in a room before the furniture arrives? That is reverberation sound bouncing off the bare walls too quickly to be an echo, but long enough to linger.